Hi there, a warm welcome to my Patreon account. My name is Taslima, or Taz for short, and I'm a self-taught artist and creator based in scenic Wales in the United Kingdom. I currently produce free, step-by-step art tutorials on my diverse artistic practice on YouTube, and I'm passionate about all things creative. You'll also find me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. I started with acrylic pouring and fluid art in 2021 post-lockdown and have greatly evolved as an artist and now work with many diverse mediums including acrylic pouring, mixed media, alcohol ink, resin art and much more. I've sold my paintings internationally and hosted a number of fluid art workshops in Wales with up to 9 attendees at a time. I'm a senior lecturer by profession with over 20 years of teaching experience working across UK universities in STEM subjects, so I'm not really new to teaching per se, but only new to teaching art. Here on Patreon is where you can come to support me in my dream of being able to make and teach fluid art and mixed media more often. Your generous support helps me to buy supplies which aren't always cheap, as you know, and to experiment and test products and recipes for you and to create valuable teaching content that helps you in your creative journey too. I do love sharing my own know-how, hints and tips and expertise with you on all things creative from fluid art, mixed media as well as resin art, and I love learning with you along the way too. Being a patron is an amazing way for you to support my artistic journey and ability to continue creating and sharing helpful content that could inspire your creativity and help evolve your artistic goals too. You'll notice there are a few different Patreon tiers available with varying benefits depending on your budget or what you are looking for from me. Tiers range from supporter, premium and platinum supporter, and each subsequent tier offers more and more benefits. Depending on which tier you choose, you could get added value with access to exclusive Patreon-only teaching content, including things like tutorials and behind-the-scenes footage, patron shout-outs in videos and descriptions, access in private community chats and private Facebook group, Q&As with me, monthly one-to-one support, and more. All the support that I receive from my patrons is deeply appreciated and funds go directly back into purchasing supplies and materials that I need to produce tutorial videos. Whether you are someone who loves to get creative or just enjoys watching, thank you so much for considering joining. I hope to see some of you very soon. Have a wonderful day.